Canvas Syllabus Tool Tutorial. My name is Paige Coleman, and I'm Canvas Faculty Support with Learning Technologies and Spaces. We are part of the Office of the Vice Provost for Student Affairs. If at all you have any questions during this tutorial, please do not hesitate to submit a ticket at canvashelp@stanford.edu. This tutorial highlights the workflow for uploading a syllabus to the Canvas Syllabus tool. Whether you have a Canvas course or an external website, utilizing the syllabus tool in Canvas helps both prospective and enrolled students access course information. The syllabus tool may be uploaded in two ways. The first way is directly from the Canvas course card on the dashboard. I'm highlighting now a visual from a presentation deck. This Add Syllabus Tool button will be present on the course card for instructors, TAs, and course admins. They will see this Add Syllabus button on certain dashboard course cards. The button appears for official courses with an SIS ID and when no content has been added to the syllabus tool. Once clicking this button and uploading a syllabus, and once the course is published, the button is removed. The second way to upload a syllabus to the syllabus tool within Canvas is directly from within the Canvas course. Once entering the Canvas course, the default view is the syllabus view. Best practice is to add the syllabus first. There is one exception with the syllabus tool. By default, syllabi uploaded to Canvas via the syllabus tool are accessible to all authenticated Stanford users with a valid SUNET ID at syllabus.stanford.edu. Once uploading the syllabus tool to Canvas, it will feed directly here to syllabus.stanford.edu. Navigating back to the syllabus tool in the Canvas course. The option does exist to restrict syllabus access to those enrolled in the course. This will only work for enrolled students. Please take the time to read an information box whenever one is visible. As printed in the box, if teaching teams or instructors aren't ready to make the syllabus available to the entire Stanford community, please click Learn how to restrict visibility to learn more. Now let's review the workflow for uploading a syllabus. There is a Add Single File Only option. This method was built for users who just want to upload a single file quickly. Clicking on the Add Single File Only button in the blue rectangle. This window appears to add a file. Going to select a file from my computer. Whenever there are two options, my computer and course files, my computer will upload content directly from the desktop. My course files signifies all content already brought into the Files tool. We are going to remain on my computer and click on Choose a File to upload the syllabus content from the desktop. Navigating to the syllabus, click on it, then click Open. Whenever content is added to Canvas, in order for it to be visible and publishable to students, one must select the copyright. In this field here, once the caret is clicked, there are all these options. However, it's my syllabus, so I'm going to continue with Hold the Copyright and click Add. The syllabus has been added, as signified here by the document name in blue. Now let's review the workflow by clicking on the Edit Pencil icon. Clicking on the Edit Pencil icon at the top right side of the screen, I'm first going to delete by highlighting and deleting that syllabus I just added using the Add Single File Only option. Scroll down and click Update Syllabus in the blue rectangle box, or it won't delete. Clicking on Syllabus again to reset. The course syllabus box appears here. Now I may click on the Edit Pencil icon at the top right, or the edit pencil icon, text links, multiple files, it's the same. Clicking on the edit pencil icon here, this rich content editor box appears. I refer to this as the RCE box. There are options by dragging the cursor over these carets to upload external links, images, media, as well as documents. So I'm going to click Upload Document, which will bring the content into the RCE box from the desktop. Again, course documents is all content already brought over into the Files tool. So I'm going to click Upload Document, click on the rocket ship, scroll down, locate the quarter syllabus, and click Open. However, it has not inserted itself yet into the RCE box. I must scroll down here and select Usage Rights. I hold the copyright, it is a syllabus, and then scroll down and click Submit in the blue rectangular box. A yellow toolbar will blink, signifying it has properly inserted into this RCE box. But then again, drag the cursor down and do not forget to click Update Syllabus in the blue rectangular box at the bottom of the screen. And herein lies the course syllabus. When uploading a new syllabus to this tool, the old syllabus must still be deleted in the Files tool. Deleting the syllabus in the Syllabus tool doesn't automatically delete it in the Files tool. So as to not confuse students with an outdated syllabus, if updating the syllabus and uploading a new syllabus to this tool, please navigate to Files and ensure the outdated syllabus has been deleted. If you have any questions, please submit a ticket to Canvas Help at stanford.edu. For more Canvas tutorials, please visit gocanvas.stanford.edu and navigate to the Video Tutorials tab. Have a great day.